before we do the final, everybody's cameras on, I would like our Digni-Planners who are in the room right now. I know I saw Chip again, and we're so glad to see you again. Digni-Planners, and I'll tell you who they are specifically. We have our Digni-Planners: Mara Aligich, Michael Britton, David Yamada, Janet Gerson, Chipamung Chowdhury, Georg Geckler, Elaine Meese, Evelyn Lindner, Anna Strout, and Phil Brown. If you're in the room, turn on your camera, and everybody else, turn off your camera. Mara Aligich, Michael Britton, David Yamada, Janet Gerson, Chipamung Chowdhury, Georg Geckler, Elaine Meese, Evelyn Lindner, Anna Strout, Phil Brown, if you're in the room. Oh, let's see, I've got still a couple. Oh, Howard, would you mind shutting off your camera just for this picture? Thank you so much. Oh, there we go. There's our brave Digni-Planners, the most brave Digni-Planners on the planet. Now, I have something special for you because you spent 6 months helping me overcome my terror of taking this workshop on Zoom. You really gave a gift to our community, an amazing gift to our community. And you know, I had
being as good as you are.
So here's how wonderful you are. I would never do this normally, but since we're all into the singing thing, I'm going to sing you a song with my fancy microphone. I have a fancy microphone. And anybody that needs to plug their ears, feel free. It's okay. It's been 20 years since I've been singing on a regular basis, so I had to really dig this out of the closet, but it fits all of you because you're so wonderful. It's called...
You're looking forward.
It's called Heroes. What can I learn from you in your lifetime and what you've been through? How'd you keep your head up and hold your pride? In an insane world, how'd you keep on trying? One life can tell the tale. If you make the effort, you cannot fail. By your life, you tell me it can be done. By your life's the courage to carry on. Heroes appear like a friend to clear a path or light a flame. As time goes, you find you depend on your heroes to show you the way. Heroes. What can I learn from you? That I must do the thing I think I cannot do. That you do what's right by your heart and soul. It's our imperfections that make us whole. Heroes appear like a friend to clear a path or light or flame. As time goes, you find you depend on your heroes to show you the way. Mara Aligich, Janet Gerson, Chipamung Chowdhury, Philip Brown, David Yamada, Georg Geckler, Elaine Meese, Anna Strout, Michael Britton, Rachel Carson, Eleanor Roosevelt, Evelyn Lindner. Heroes appear like a friend to clear a path or light the flame. As time goes, you find you depend on your heroes to show you the way. Heroes. Thank you, our
Wow.
dear beloved Digni-Planners, the best.
Wow, Linda, that was great.
Oh, that was beautiful. Love that song. Thank you, Linda.
Oh, that was after missing 20 years of practice. So forgive me.
Beautifully sung.
It
Beautifully
was
sung.
absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
You're in serious trouble now. Because all these
Oh.
years, you've gotten away with not singing to us.
A long
That was
story
fantastic.
behind that.
That was so beautiful. We want it every year. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
You're all heroes to me. So everybody get your cameras back on. You